What's up, kiddies? Welcome back to your girl channel, How to Cook and Life with Juliana. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY your face mask and your hand sanitizer. Fast, easy, and simple. So let's get started. Okay, goodies, let's make this thing fast, easy, and simple, affordable, and on a budget. And most of the things that I'm using right here is from the Dollar Tree store, such as your scrunchie, but you can also find it in your local beauty supply store nearest to you, but you will definitely find it at Dollar Tree. And this is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's also available at your local beauty supply store. It's just a simple head wrap or a headband. They have it in all kinds of colors, but I'm going to go in with two colors only. So I'm going to do white, and I'm also going to throw some black in as well, because I'm making for a whole lot of people today: husband, daughter, myself, all of that stuff. So we're going to do two colors today. Now, to do the project, you're going to need a scissors. You're also going to need your glue gun. Now, to get started, you want to go, I'm just going to show you right here exactly what it is and exactly what the fabric is. The fabric stretches a lot, and this is why I chose this particular head wrap, because it stretches a lot. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is fold it into 4 pieces, because this right here is going to make me a total of 8 face masks. So as you can see, what I'm doing here, I'm just simply folding it just like that. And then after I get done folding it like that, you go back in and fold the other side across like so. And then you're going to go in and cut it. And it doesn't have to be neat or perfect when you cut it at all, but you just want to make sure when you cut it, the pieces, you have a total of 8 pieces of the same size, just like so. It's very easy to make. Okay. All right, and so make sure your scissors is sharp though, even though it doesn't really matter if it cuts neat or not, but you want to make sure that your scissors is in fact sharp. Right, so that is perfect. All right, so let's make this thing up. You want to go ahead and cut it, because like I said, that one headband is going to make a total of 8 masks. Okay, so we go ahead and we set that piece aside, and we're going to make our mask. Fast, easy, and simple. Everything I've done fast, easy, and simple as far as I'm concerned in anything that I do. Now, this is what I do. I get the scrunchie, right? You're going to need a total of for an adult person, you need 4 scrunchie, but for a child, you're only going to need 2. If you're making for a child, this is exactly what you want to do. Go ahead and get the scrunchie and put the cloth between both sides, just like that, and make it as even as you possibly can. And then you use your hot glue gun, just like that. Be careful, because it will burn you, because you're putting hot glue on fabric, so it will burn you if you're not careful. So be really careful when you're doing this. And you can also use a needle and thread to make this as well, but just use your hot glue gun just to make it fast, easy, and simple, like I'm doing here, and just attach both sides. And that is your mask right there, and that is perfect for a child. Now, if you are going to do it for an adult person, you want to do 2. But this was mine, and I'm going to bling this thing out. I'm going to bling it out, honey. I'm going to bling it out. So what I did, I decided I was going to put my initials on it. Come on, everything must be fancy. Even though we're going through such a tragic time, I still wanted to have a little bit of happy to it. So I decided to put my initial, just the J, on my mask. And I am using my diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree store. All I did was just use my hot glue gun, and I don't think you want to use your E6000 on this. Just go in with your hot glue gun and make your initials if that is what you want to do. If you don't want to do that, you can skip that step here. But I just wanted to have a happy face. So I went in with my J on my mask. Like that. Okay, that is looking nice. It's looking nice. It's like I said, we're going through a rough time right now, but I just wanted to have a happy face, so I put my J on there. Now, since you're going to make it for an adult person, this is how you do it. You want to go back in with another scrunchie and double in between, make a tie and pull. And I'm going to show you the other one. Just watch carefully right here. You just want to go ahead, open up the one that's already attached like that, take the second scrunchie, pull it through in the middle like they put the other piece in, and pull just like you'd be tying a bow. And there you have it, the perfect mask on a budget. And it doesn't cost anything much. That is daughter's baby girl wanted hers in black, and as you can see, she had her D on it and it was perfect. Now let's make our hand sanitizer. Now I went to my CVS pharmacy and I got my rubbing alcohol 91% right here. You want to try to get one of the strongest alcohol, and to that I'm going to add my essential oil, 7 treatment oil coconut milk to my hand sanitizer. And know that I'm going to add everything that I'm using here. I'm going to put it down below, so just go ahead and check the description for your exact measurements. To the alcohol and the essential oil, we're going to go with some aloe vera plant, and all you have to do is cut your aloe vera in the desired pieces that makes you comfortable, and be careful because that thing will stick you like a knife, like a pin, and it hurt too. Now I went in and I cut it going down just like that, going across and then going down, and then with a sharp knife you go in and you peel the aloe vera, get the aloe vera out from its skin just like that. And the aloe vera that I'm using, it wasn't an extreme very big one, it was, I would say, a medium sized aloe vera, but I got everything out that was in it. That's what it looks like. It's all clammy and healthy for your skin, for your hair, for a drink, for everything. Aloe vera, good stuff, right? Perfect here. If you have not subscribed to it, please go ahead and subscribe to both my channel. This video will be uploaded both on my channel, How to Cook, and also on Life with Juliana. So if you don't catch it here, you'll catch it there. Okay? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get all that good out. All that good out. And we are going to be putting this into our blender. It goes. So you go ahead and throw it all up in the blender like that. And then you go in and you add your alcohol to it, your rubbing alcohol to the mix, just like that. And again, all the amount and everything that I use here will be listed down in your description box. So check it out, y'all. Go in and add your essential oil to it, like so. And I think I only paid $4.99 for that bottle of essential oil. It smells so good, so good. After I blended it in my blender, it looks like that, and I have the most perfect hand sanitizer. I had an old bottle laying around, and I just went ahead and just throw it up in that bottle that I had, and bam, right there, I had hand sanitizer. Didn't cost much at all. Didn't cost much. Perfect. And it smells good. You could also add a little bit of orange or like fresh orange to it, or lemon if you like. But this was good enough for me because the essential oil smells so good and it's soft to the touch. My skin was nice and moist. It's even better than the hand sanitizer from the store, because the hand sanitizer that you buy in the store dries your hands out. So with the essential oil, it is perfect. Thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you in my next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.